Okay, today we will take some training videos of the plug-in machines. This is our factory. These machines is V-cut and the PCB target drilling machines. These machines are plug-in machines. These are the structures and the covers. We can see material side. Assembly room. There are four machines are being assembled. Today we'll take that machines for example. Like this. These are under assembly. And these are the components. These are we call chain clamper. This chain clamper and the control system drivers. Later we will take 4 to 5 videos to introduce the plug-in machine operation. Okay, let's take a run first. Okay, for this video.